Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change date format in Excel. Okay, so if you want to change date format in Excel, here you will see I have selected few dates. Okay, tapped here some few dates, and now I want to change the date format of this table. Okay, so what you have to do to change the date format, here you will see you have to select the cells of which you want to change the date format. Okay, so as I want to change the date format of this, okay, then what you have to do, then here you will see format option. Now click on format option and then click on format cells. Okay, so when you click on format cells, here you will see many options: number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. Okay, but you have to just go to dates. Okay, here you will see dates. Now from here you can change the format. Okay, so as I want to change the format to this one. Okay, now click on this, then what you have to do, just click on OK. Now you will see the date format has been changed. So like this you can change the date format in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.